Gonadotropins FSH and LH are called gonadotropins as they stimulate the development and secretory activity of the gonads, testes, and ovaries. Both are secreted in the male and female from the same cell type, the gonadotrophs. Chemistry: FSH and LH are both glycoprotein with a molecular weight of approximately 28 kDa. Each comprises an identical alpha subunit and a specific beta subunit. The beta subunit of both FSH and LH is composed of 115 amino acids and each has two carbohydrate chains. Both LH and FSH activate adenine, adenylate cyclase and increase cyclic AMP production through which their effects are mediated. Effects in male: LH and FSH act in a combined way to promote spermatogenesis in testes. LH induces testosterone producing by Leydig cells of the testes. Testosterone brings about the meiotic division necessary for spermatogenesis. FSH acts on the Sertoli cells of the testes and induces synthesis of several proteins including androgen binding protein ABP and inhibin. ABP is secreted into the seminiferous tubule lumen where it binds to testosterone. This ensures high local testosterone concentration, which promotes spermatogenesis. Inhibin participates in negative feedback loop to inhibit secretion of FSH from the anterior pituitary. Effects in females: FSH and LH have different functions in females, on the basis of which they have been given names. FSH promotes estradiol synthesis, leading to follicular maturation. LH leads to follicle rupture and oocyte release. Regulation: GnRH regulates the excretion of FSH and LH. The pituitary excretion of these hormones is subjected to feedback regulation by the target organ hormones. LH is inhibited by the target gland sex hormones testosterone and the estradiol. The latter inhibits pituitary LH, whereas testosterone inhibits both hypothalamic GnRH and pituitary LH. FSH is subject to feedback inhibition by inhibin. HCG is a placental glycoprotein structurally similar to LH. It is secreted by fertilized ovum. The secretion begins immediately after implantation. It maintains corpus luteum during pregnancy. Its detection in urine forms the basis for diagnosis of pregnancy. Adrenocorticotropin hormone. It is secreted as a large precursor molecule known as POMC with a molecular weight of 32 kD. It is cleaved to give about 30 different endorphins and several hormones. Active ACTH is a polypeptide with 39 amino acids and a molecular weight of 4500. Biochemical function: ACTH acts with the cyclic AMP second messenger system. The major effects are synthesis and release of steroid hormone from the adrenal cortex, the conversion of the cholesterol to pregnenolone, the first step in the steroid steroidogenesis, is enhanced by ACTH. This leads to synthesis of glucocorticoid and to lesser extent other steroid hormones as well. In steroid hormone synthesis, ACTH play an important role. Prolonged exposure to high ACTH level causes lipolysis in adipocytes and increased insulin secretion from the pancreas. Regulation of ACTH production: the secretion of POMC is under the control of CRF. Factors that increase ACTH secretion, including stresses such as pain, cold, exposure, acute hypoglycemia, trauma, depression, and surgery. Steroid hormone in turn cause feedback inhibition of HPA.